A library outranks any other one thing a community can do to benefit its people. It is a never-failing spring in the desert. As I grow older, I pay less attention to what men say. I just watch what they do. People who are unable to motivate themselves must be content with mediocrity, no matter how impressive their other talents. If you want to be happy, set a goal that commands your thoughts, liberates your energy, and inspires your hopes. A man who acquires the ability to take full possession of his own mind may take possession of anything else to which he is justly entitled. It marks a big step in your development when you come to realize that other people can help you do a better job than you could do alone. He that cannot reason is a fool. He that will not is a bigot. He that dare not is a slave. Put all your eggs in one basket and then watch that basket. All human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes. Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get. You cannot push anyone up a ladder unless he is willing to climb a little. Do your duty and a little more, and the future will take care of itself. Teamwork, the fuel that allows common people attain uncommon results. Here lies one who knew how to get around him men who were cleverer than himself. No man will make a great leader who wants to do it all himself or to get all the credit for doing it. There is little success where there is little laughter. We cannot afford to lose the Negro. We have urgent need of all and more. Let us therefore turn our efforts to making the best of him. I am as a speck of dust in the sun, and not even so much, in this solemn, mysterious, unknowable universe. 90% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate. Not only had I got rid of the theology and the supernatural, but I had found the truth of evolution. That best portion of a good man's life are his little, nameless, unremembered acts of kindness and of love. No man will make a great leader who wants to do it all himself or get all credit for doing it. Do not look for approval except for the consciousness of doing your best. The first man gets the oyster, the second man gets the shell. Certainly the man who makes his own wealth eclipses those who inherit rank from others. Is necessarily limited by his lack of knowledge of the circumstances. No man will make a great leader who wants to do it all himself, or to get all the credit for doing it. Teamwork is the ability to work together toward a common vision. It is the fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon results. If we truly care for others, we need not be anxious about their feelings for us. Like draws to like. Wealth is not to feed our egos, but to feed the hungry and to help people help themselves. The Republic may not give wealth or happiness, she has not promised these. It is the freedom to pursue these, not their realization, we can claim. True it is, we only hate those whom we do not know.